Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a table mat, and for this I have used three blouse pieces in the sense jacket bits which come along with the sari. Normally those who wear saris will know that we don't use some of the bits, so I thought I'll make use of it here. So at the bottom I've used one blouse bit here. I folded it into two because I wanted the bottom to be a little firm. If you have thick cloth, additional or spare cloth, you can add that. And here one piece of the jacket, I've made it into 6 strips. Likewise, I've taken another blouse bit and I've made it into 6 strips. So it's not necessary you should take a blouse piece to do this. If you have any spare cloth, that should be fine. So here we go. Here it is. I have stitched one part of the strips, the 6 strips. Now as the next step, we'll just take the even numbers first. So the second strip, the 4th strip, and then the 6th strip. We are just positioning it. I'll show you after I stitch. I'm holding the mobile in one hand, so please excuse me if there's any jerks or any disturbances. So you place the other combination of the strip you want to, and then you put this back in place. Okay, so we're done. Now we have to take the odd numbers. So we'll go for the strip 1, strip 3, and then strip 5. Then we place the white strip. The fan is on. Okay, you place it, and then you put this back in place. Okay, so likewise we have to fill the rest. I have increased the number of strips, the white strips. Initially I told you 6 was sufficient. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I think I want my mat to be a little more broader. So I've gone for 2 more strips. So totally I've used 8 white strips. Okay. Here I have adjusted the strips. And I now have to cut this out evenly and then stitch it. Likewise, I have to cut here and stitch. Cut it at this end and stitch. And then I have to hem it up. That's all. This can be done even with ribbons. It can be done with old cloth. Anything. I wanted it to have a little grand look. So I added a frill to it. I'm just working on this part. I'm yet to finish. This is purely optional. If you want to have a grand look, you can add this frill, normal stitch. Otherwise, with a neat hemming, it should be fine. Finally, the table mat is ready.